Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the alternatives to character AI. What are the ones that you can actually like check out? So the first one, very popular one, is Generator AI. So this is the one that you can actually like check out. Excels is Elephant Dark theme, a large character library, fewer content restrictions than character AI, and also free to use API keys. Now, maybe there's like glitches and random, for example, it's loading for some reason for a longer time. So that's like, as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can check it out. Then also like the Talkie AI. This is like another one that you can like check out for yourself. Maybe you would like it. So Talkie AI is also, oh, it already works now. So as you can see, like you can choose, there are like many characters here. So Talkie AI, is like whatever, man. And this is another one that you can like check out. Or you can have also the Polybus bus, and this is another one that you can like check out too. So Polybus strictly prohibit public display of the NSFW content. So premium needed for the best experience, ads on a free tier. So that's like pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day and goodbye.